Okay, Candy, she's like, who are you? I'm an orange.
An orange?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah, that's the best bit.
No, that's nowhere near saying no, is it?
No.
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 Oh,
No.
nay! I was so close. Nay, nay.
Mayonnaise.
Nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Mayonnaise. Mayonnaise, Kenny. Mayonnaise.
Oh God, you made it angry. He doesn't like mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise. Lord, you're good. Hey, Tegan, good look on her. She's good when she's on her own. Sort of. Ish.
Ken, for God's sake, come on, faster. Come
Oh my God. Candy, what the hell is with you? Go. I told you. She's good
Come
when
on.
she's on her own. What the hell, Candy?
Why have I zoomed in? That just looks weird. What are you laughing
I
for?
don't know.
Strange.
She was teaching outside this afternoon. Ian. Yes. Are you going outside? I want to go. Yeah, I want to go out round diagonal, so we have to get a few. It's hard, man.